Hey, this is Logan with Roof It Forward doing your free video roof inspection. So I did want to show you a couple of different things up here on the roof. This is approximately 125 feet in the air looking down at your roof. You can see there's some black algae on the left and right side of the screen where the two slopes have got some age to it. Definitely something that you can definitely see really good from above. But what I'm going to do is I'm going to come down here and show you. I did find some hail indentations on your roof, and you can start to see down here on this flatter section, you can see there's just a bunch of black marks right here on this roof. And basically what's happening is the hailstone has come through and it's impacted the shingles. So you can see where it's been impacted by the hailstone, and that's a pretty good amount of hailstones in a concentrated area like that. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to show you how it's affected a couple different portions of the roof. And I'm going to come over here and take a look at the soft metals. Now these soft metals are your HVAC stacks that are coming through the roof, these two metal pipes. And if I go over here to this black one, you'll see that there's a couple indentations from the hailstones. Let me zoom in for you. It's a little dirty, but you can see there's a couple indentations. Looks like little circles all over the metal cap there. That's been hailstones that have impacted that. And as well as these ones, there's a little bit tougher to see with the glare, but there is some on there as well. And then I will also show you a couple different parts of the roof. Let's go over here to this slope facing this way, and I'll show you a couple things around the pipes, and then as well as some more evidence of hail. So let's take a look. So again, you can see these little black dots on the roof. There has been some hail impacts to the shingles. You can see there's some granule loss, definitely some impacts to the shingles. And again, I zoom out a little bit further, and you can see it's pretty much across the slope. And then I'm going to come down here and show you, as we had talked about your pipe boots, these things are aging, and you can see there used to be some caulk around these exposed nails right here. As of right now, the caulk has worn off for the most part, and those nails are rusted, so water is most likely coming through, and it may be leaking. It may be a slow leak. You may not have seen it just yet, but that does look like water is coming through. So those pipe boots will usually need to be replaced every 5 to 7 years, caulk up those nail heads, and add some rain collars. And that usually will take care of your maintenance for your roof and extend the life expectancy of it. But I did want to show you over here as well. There's a couple other things I wanted to point out to you to show you that there's been hail on this roof. So right here you have a ridge vent, and you have shingles over this ridge vent. It's basically allowing your attic to breathe. And there's been some impacts on the ridge vent shingles right here, and you can tell that hail's been in the area whenever you have impacts on this part of the roof, because this is one of the softest parts of the roof, as well as the soft metal rain caps up on the top of the roof that I just showed you where your HVAC stacks are coming from. So there's definitely been some impacts. What I'll do is I'll come down and I'll show you these things, and we can discuss our options. But again, we appreciate you letting us come out. This is Logan with Roof It Forward.